In this video, we're going to check out the Mustang seat that I put on the 1200 iron. What's up everybody, Travis here. So, I've had the seat for a little while now. I actually have not been riding the 1200 as much since I got the MT09. I still do ride it every once in a while, but most of the time it's the MT09. So it's probably been a month or better since I got the Mustang seat. I actually got it used, so I got a pretty good deal on it. The Mustang seat that I got is a wide tripper solo seat in the brown leather color. I got it used. Brown's all the guy had, so what I put on it, and it don't look bad on the bike because the bike is black anyway. This Mustang seat is so much more comfortable than the stock seat. It's ridiculous. The stock seat is garbage. I hate it. I mentioned that, I think, in my review video of the bike. The day I went and got it, I actually rode a couple of hours to pick it up. When I got there, I did put the new seat on the bike so I could ride back with it. But since I had already rode to get it that far, I mean, my ass already hurt, so it really wasn't much different on the way back. With that said, as soon as I got a chance to go back out on the 1200 iron with the Mustang seat and ride for a little while, it's awesome. It's night and day comfortable. I don't know what else to say about it. It does not make you any higher. It does not scoot you back or forth. I'm pretty sure you're in the exact same position, but you are lower, which is what I was kind of looking for. With that stock seat, you're kind of sitting on the bike instead of in it, and I'd rather sit in the bike with forward controls and all. It's just more comfortable to me. I mean, that's just my opinion. But anyway, let's check out the seat. I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of B-roll of the Mustang seat. Like I said, the seat is amazing. It's very comfortable. I mean, I've read mixed reviews on it. Some people like it, some people don't like it. But in my opinion, it's a good seat. If you're looking for a decent seat but don't need a passenger seat as well, Mustang wide tripper solo seat would be a great way to go. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.